morning, dear students. Happy to meet you this morning. The first day of the week. Let's begin with joy and happiness. So, we are continuing our class on models. Okay. Now in your book there is not much of clear-cut theory. In the land boxes they give step by step as we proceed. But I thought good to have like in some class books the total view of the basic theory. Of course I took it in the first class or the class on the blackboard at school, full view of the model verb basics. So same thing I just give you in a nutshell to have a recap also to proceed with the exercise. Okay. Now model verbs are words that are used before the verbs in the sentence. And it changes the meaning in one sense of the sentence. The function or the mood, the tone of the sentence changes based on these modal verbs. What are those modal verbs? Here I have given some 8 of them. Can, could, may, might, should, would, must, have to. I did number them. There are a few more we will add. And the different places where they can be used. Okay. Some 6 of them here. I have written ability, permission, possibility, suggestion, request, advice or obligation. Now, what is to be remembered is, you see this can is used in the 1, 4, 5 options. Okay, 1 ability, 4 request, 5 possibility. Can is used in 3 places. And could is used in 5 places from 1 to 5, from ability to possibility. Could is not used in the advice. And the may is used in 3rd and 4th, permission and request. Okay. Might is used only in possibility. Must and have to is used only in obligation or advice. So it is good to have this because repeatedly the same thing they are giving in the learn boxes of your book. So it's a holistic, otherwise you think here, there, can is here, can is there, where, what. It's confusing and difficult to remember. So you can take it as it is or make a chart, whatever you want. Now, with this background, let's proceed with the exercise in your book, page number 58 and 59. Okay, page number, I don't know, 10 here, page number. Okay, so 58 and 59 pages, we will see the exercise. I am not going to read as it is. I just give you the answer or the clue. Okay. Now with the B, you have been asked to write a diary using can and could. Okay. So can is a informal expression, present tense. Could is more formal, short way of expressing, I use the word soft, mm, but technically it is formal usage, very formal. Mm. So here only could is used in one place, all other places can, and in another place it is used as cannot. I also have told you in the first class itself, these modal verbs can be used in the negative form. In everywhere you cannot, not, could not, may not, might not, have not, all this. So it is also given in the book, red color, bracket, negative form. Only there you use cannot. And in the third fill-up, you use could dance extremely well when she was here, past tense. Okay. Now all of the place you use can. Okay, simple as that. Now we will go to the next page 59. Here we are going to use should and could. Okay, should and could is used for suggestions. Okay, you see suggestions. Could, number 5. Could and should also can be used. Number 2, suggestion. Okay. Occasionally can also can be used, they say, for suggestion. Okay. You can go, you can do this work. Okay. So which I have not mentioned, but it's your book. Can also can be used in suggestion. So this exercise is going to be based on suggestion using should, could, can. Now I just give only the places where should and could can be used. Okay. The first one you use should, like become fitter. Become fitter. Number 1, C. Just everywhere you add the subject you should become a fitter, like that. Okay. Second one, you could eat at a good restaurant. Okay. Just add you on the modal verb. So third one you can use should. Fourth one should. Fifth one should. Sixth one also should. Everywhere should. If you use should, it becomes a little more strong. You can also use could. There's nothing very complicated. So seventh one, you can use could. Some words suits, some modal verbs, some in some places suits well. Some when you use could in suggestion, you could do, you cannot, you could not do. Okay. So you could comfort some sad people. It's not always a must. You go and keep on comforting. Everybody was sad. Only who want it you can. So you could. It's not a must. Sometimes you should become a fitter because you are capable of it. You know that qualities, and so you should. So a little forceful should is okay. Then last one also you can make should or could, or you can make. If you use can here, the suggestion becomes a little weaker, I would say. Okay. For example, you can make tea properly. You can make, and you cannot make. You can make. It's a little softer actually. Okay. Now, with this exercise and the theory part, we will learn today. And next class we will do D, E, F. And you need not wait for me to do this exercise. You do by yourself, by learning from the theory and reading the book. And when I say it, you can cross check and know how you are done. You can learn. You see, learn by mistake. You try what you know Then if you hear from me and correct it, you know what you do not know. That's what is more important. So don't wait for me to give you all the answers. And you cross check. Okay, that way you learn better. Otherwise you just copy what I say, and it's not possible to memorize, and you will not know what you know. Okay, so avoid copying. Okay, every time depending on the teachers, tuition teacher, school teacher, whomever, where you will not learn much. Okay, so all the best. Keep doing the other ones. I will give the answers, of course. Thank you. Bye.